Hello students, in last class I have explained you the formula for trapezoidal rule, Simpson 1/3 rule, 3/8 rule, and I have told that I will in next class we will go through the numericals. So here is your first numerical. In this numerical we have to evaluate the integration from 0 to 6 dx by 1 plus x square by using trapezoidal rule, Simpson 1/3 rule and Simpson 3/8 rule. So how we are going to do this? Because here 0 to 6 and we have to use trapezoidal rule also. So what we will do, we will just express this from 0 to 1, then 1 to 2, like this. We will find out the values of this in all the intervals. So divide, first solution is divide the interval 0 6 into 6 part. Okay, we will divide it into 6 parts, each of with h equal to 1. And here in a question is given 0 to 6 dx by 1 plus x square. It means 0 to 6 fx dx. So this implies that our fx is 1 by 1 plus x square. So we will first find the values in all the fx in all the intervals. Okay, so first we will write 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now if you will find out the values, 1 by 1 plus 0 it will be 1 only. 1 by 1 plus 1 it will be 1 by 2 means 1 by 2 means 0.5. 1 plus 2 square is 4. So 1 by 5 is 0.2. Similarly, in place of x we will put 3. Then 1 by 3 square is 9 plus 1 it will be 10. So 0.1. If we will put 4 square is 16 plus 1 it will be 17. So if 1 by 17 we will do 1 divided by 17, then our answer is 0.588. 0.588. Similarly, 1 by 1 plus 5 square is 25. 1 by 26. 1 divided by 26 is 0.03846. Similarly, if you will find this value, you will get 0.027. So we have the values in all the points, that is x, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We have the values. So first we will use trapezoidal rule. By trapezoidal rule, what we know by trapezoidal rule? By trapezoidal rule we know that 0 to 6 dx by 1 plus x square is equal to, formula is h by 2, then we have to write y naught, first one and last one is 6, so y6 plus, afterwards what we have to write, just go to the formula that what we have studied, whatever the things in between, that one is the formula, y1, y2, y3, y4 and y5. So we will just put the formulas, and afterwards h is, there is a gap of 1, so 1 by 2, y0 is 1 and y6 is 0.027. okay, plus 2 into, between values we will add 0.5 plus 0.2 plus 0.1 plus 0.588 plus 0.3845. I am just putting. Now if you will add this and you will calculate with the help of calculator, then you will get the value of this 1.4108. okay, so this is the value. So this is the value of this function by using trapezoidal rule. Now we are going to use Simpson rule. In Simpson rule, we don't have to take intervals one by one. That like here we have taken 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. In Simpson rule, what is the formula for Simpson rule? I am just here explaining. By Simpson 1/3 rule, formula is 0 to 6 dx by 1 plus x square. What was the formula? I'm just explaining here only, it's all formula has been written. Yeah, for Simpson the formula is h by 3 y0 plus yn, first term and last term, and afterwards 4 into all odds and 2 into all evens. So that only we will write here. How we will write here? h by 3 y naught plus y6. Okay, now 4 into all odds, 4 into odd number are y1 plus y3 plus y5, and 2 into all evens, that is y2 plus y4. We will not write y6 because y6 is already written here. So now your work is to write the values. If you will write the values, 1 plus 0.027 plus 4 into y1 is 0.5, y3 is 0.1, and y5 is 0.0385. I am writing here, plus 2 into y2 is 0.2, and y4 is 0.0588. Okay, now if you will calculate with the help of calculator all these, you will get the answer 1.3662. Okay, now again what we have to do, we have to find by Simpson's 3 by 8 rule. Okay, now we have to find it by Simpson 3 by 8 rule. So what is the formula for Simpson 3 by 8 rule? You know the formula, x square is simple. Here we have to write 3 by 8h. It's already mentioned here. Y, first one, last one, 3 into all the numbers and plus 2 into numbers which is multiple of 3. So here we will write how y0 plus yn, 3 into all the numbers, like that is y1, y2, y4, y5, and plus 2 into y3 plus y6 we will not write because here only we have written y6, so it will be y3 only. Now if you will substitute the value 3 by 8, h is 1 only, so here we will write 1 plus 0.027 plus 3 into all the values y1, y2, y4, y5. If we will substitute all the values, y1 is 0.5, y2 is 0.2, y4 is 0.588 plus y5 is 0.3846. Afterwards 2 into y3 is 0.1. So if you will calculate all these, you will get the answer 1.3571. So this is the way to use Simpson 1/3 rule, Simpson 3 by 8 rule, trapezoidal rule. It's very simple. Only you have to memorize the formula that in trapezoidal rule, first term, last term, in all, even in all these three formulas, first term, last term we have written. Afterward 2 into rest of the terms. Afterwards 4 into odd numbers. In Simpson 4 into odds number, in 2 into even number. Similarly in Simpson 3 by 8 rule, something different is there, 3 into rest of the numbers, but plus 2 into numbers which is multiple of 3. Now the next one is this question. I have chosen this question because here the interval is little bit different. It's 0.2 to 1.4 and you have to use Simpson 3 by 8 rule. Now students, if you have to use Simpson 3 by 8 rule, so how we will write it? How we will write this? So here let y is equal to here sin x minus log x plus e to the power x. This is our function, and h is, and we will consider h 0.2. Okay, and if we will consider h 0.2, then how many intervals we have to prepare? Here n will become, see here, because we from 0.2 to I have to go till 0.4. So here n will be 6. How this 6? I am just explaining. N is 6 means here yn means our yn will go till 6. How it will go? I am just explaining. Here we'll write x, here we'll write y. Okay. So first one is 0.2. Okay. Then 0.4, because I am taking the gap of 0.2. Then 0.6, 0.8, 1, 1.2, 1.4, only this much. Okay. Till 1.4 we have to go. So students, see here, this one we will call it y0, this one is y1, this one is y2, this one is y3, this one is y4, this one is y5, and this one is y6. Okay, whatever the value we will write here, these all are the values of this. So how we will write the values? Now I am going to explain this. We have to find the value of sine x minus log x plus e to the power x. See here, sine 0.2, sine 0, it's visible, sine 0.2, afterwards minus of log 0.2, afterwards plus e to the power 0.2. If you will calculate this, you will get the value 2.111190429093. But we have to check it that here we have considered this in radian. Okay, now if we will do in degree, then what will be the value? So if we will do this in degree, then here it will be sine 0.2 minus log. Okay, in question it is written, I have missed one thing. In question it is written log e. It means it is not a natural log, it's a natural log. So whenever it's a natural log, then we have to take ln. I have explained this earlier also. So how we will solve this? First I am not changing this. It will be radian only. Okay, sine 0.2 bracket, afterward minus natural log I have to take, because in question it is written log e. So natural log 0.2 plus e to the power 0.2, then our answer will be 3.0295. Yeah, only one confusion was there. Here it will be natural log, and if natural log is there, you have to take ln. Okay, you don't have to change radian and degree. So here I will write what? Here I will write in place of this 3.0295. Similarly, what you will do, in place of 2 you have to write 0.4. Now our next value is 0.4. So it will become, here in place of ln we will write 0.4. Okay. Again in place of this we will write 0.4. Then in this case our value is 2.7975. So only you have to think that if it is written log ex, it means you have to use natural log, not natural log, this one log. Okay, ln. And if it is only log, means base 10. If log base 10 is there, it means it is log. And if log e is there, it means ln. Okay, this is the basic difference. Similarly, we will substitute all the values: 2.876, 3.1660, 3.5597, then 4.069, then 4.4028. Okay, these are the values. And afterwards what we will do, we have to use by Simpson rule, no? So by Simpson 3/8 rule, we know that the formula is, formula for 0.2 to 1.4 sine x minus of log ex plus e to the power x dx formula is 3/8h. Then in bracket we will write first term, and last term is this one, y6, plus, what was the formula? We know that 3 multiplied by rest of the term, that is y2 plus y4 plus y5. We will not write y6. Okay, y1 also I have not written. Okay, here it will be plus y1 plus 2 multiplied by y3, because y6 already I have written here. Now you have to only substitute the values. What are the values? 3/8, and here h is not 1, so you have to write 0.2, because there is a gap of 0.2. And afterwards we will find out the values. Here y0 is given as 3.0295 plus y6 is 4.4028 plus 3 into y1 is 2.7975 plus y2 is 2.8976, y3 I'm not writing, y4 is 3.5597 and y5 is 4.069 and afterwards plus 2 multiplied by y3 is 3.1660. Now we will calculate all these, and after calculation you will get the value of 0.2 to 1.4 sin x minus log ex plus e to the power x dx, as if all calculation will give 4.053. This is your answer. So this is the fundamental thing which you have to do in a trapezoidal rule, Simpson 3/8 rule and Simpson 1/3 rule. So in this video I have only explained the formula and how to substitute the values. I am also giving in PDF I am also giving 2 to 3 questions, solve the question. You have to first try to solve it by own, and if you will not understand then you have to take help from the PDF. Okay, but first your agenda is to do it by own. Okay, don't copy and write. Okay, if you will do by own, then only you will understand more properly, because these are the very simple things. Only you have to learn the formula and everything can be calculated by calculator. So it's a scoring thing. With the help of this you can score more. So be prepared that you have to do it by own. Thank you.